Hello, I'm Dr. Alyssa Smith, and I'm presenting on my current project entitled Validity of Bilingual Speech and Noise Hearing Assessment/Tests. I'm the PI for this project, and I'm working alongside my colleague/co-PI, Dr. Ian Ganem. The objective of our project is to test whether standardized audiological assessment of hearing difficulty and background noise presents a disadvantage to bilingual speakers more than monolingual speakers. We are specifically looking at bilingual Spanish and English speakers and monolingual English speakers. Now for background, starting with speech and noise, SIN, a popular supplemental SIN test administered to adult patients by audiologists is the Quick SIN test by Etymonic Research. This test uses sentences to assess a patient's ability to hear and understand speech and noise. The sentences vary in their predictability, which we believe could affect scores. And sentence processing and bilingualism. The context of a sentence helps listeners process a sentence. There are high bias sentences, which have a lot of context, so they're easy to process. And then there are unpredictable sentences, which have less context, so they're harder to process. Bilinguals use semantic information in a sentence differently than monolinguals. Therefore, this study tests whether the Quick SIN test, which uses sentences, shows lower scores for bilinguals that is not a result of any hearing or processing issue. Our methods, we are collecting pilot data with a maximum of 100 participants, and these participants will complete a cross-modal semantic priming paradigm, and they will receive a raffle entry to win a gift card for participating. There is a single word task. 200 auditory word primes are presented one at a time, followed by related or not related visual words. Participants indicate if the visual word is related or not related to the word they just heard. Then there's the auditory priming paradigm task. Participants hear a sentence and indicate the relatedness of a target word in various noise conditions. And for our hypothesis, reaction time, RT of related versus unrelated conditions. A faster RT to make a relatedness decision indicates that semantic context has facilitated that decision. We're going to look at group comparisons, and we predicted bilinguals were slower overall than monolinguals, and that this effect increased as background noise increased. We received our RRB approval this past February and are currently collecting data. Our current data is trending towards our hypothesis. Bilingual participants have a slower reaction time when compared to monolingual participants. We are excited to continue gathering participants and collect data. Here are our references. Thank you.